If you're also a Tool fan and you bang your head while listening to the pod, then you're also familiar with super large snails that eat up an entire city. And for the longest time, I thought that that was the original video intended for the song, but I recently learned that it's a 1966 French animation film called Les Escargots or The Snails by René Laloux, who is known for the very popular film The Fantastic Planet and the not so popular The Time Masters. Now, The Snails is about a farmer who is desperate to keep his crops alive because no matter how much he tries, how much he cares for them, what is for them, they just won't grow. So he gets creative. He uses nails and magnets to keep them upright, and he also uses his tears as fodder for them. And he also gets creative in ways he can get sad, like reading morbid stories or physically torturing himself. And when the land finally rewards him, in terms of super large cabbages that outgrow his house, he also faces this infestation of very large snails that eat up all his cabbages, and they lay waste to the city. They abduct people, they kill people, they cause accidents, and while the snails are around, the old buildings of the cities is replaced by skyscrapers. So, having watched it recently, I couldn't help but think about the snails as data center owners, because whatever the snails did to the farmer in the film is the same thing that data centers are doing in real life in terms of land violations, environmental violations. It's all documented. So I think everybody should give this a watch. It's The Snails, and I think you should easily find it.